So guys, first method. So this is your backside of your PC. So use this one to connect properly. Okay. If you have a single, so this is mic and this is speaker. Okay. Then next, click to start. Type control panel. Then large. Click to category. Then click to hardware and sound. Then again click to hardware. You can see here you can how many speakers you connect here you can detect. Okay, then just double click and click to, you can text here like that. Okay, click to property. So guys, select the level 100%. Okay, and you can see here balance on 100%. Okay, and then okay, and then okay, and then close it. Then guys, next, update and reinstall the audio driver. So just right click of Windows icon, click on device manager. Otherwise you can next second method, click to start and type device manager. You can see here, and then click. Then extract audio, and this is, you can see here mic and speaker both different. Just right click to update driver and search by automatic. Okay, otherwise it will not resolve the issue. Just right click and uninstall. You can see here it is removed from that. Then again uninstall driver, just uninstall it. And you can see here also, just right click and uninstall and remove that. Okay, after that guys, you have to click on here, scan for hardware changes. Okay, this is last icon. Just single click, it will detect automatically. Okay, it's audio and input output and sound also there. After that guys, select the microphone, just right click to update driver and then click to search automatically. Complete, do that like same of for a speaker. Then close, and same for high residency and click to. So please extract, if you install directly for not that, just extract it. Okay, closed. Then guys, next method. So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com, and then right hand side you can see here search button, just click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Now you can see this is your motherboard. Now click on the product and title of the motherboard, click on that. Then click support. This is your motherboard B450M DS3H V3. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. So if you are using any Windows 10, 11, 7, this is also 7 also supporting. So all the installation process same. Select which is you required. Then this is Realtek audio driver. and click to download. After you click to download, it will show just start downloading, and it is done. Just single click to open. Again open the find out setup file. Yeah, this is setup.exe. Just double click, then click to yes, and then next to install. This is okay because this I am making video, so that's why you just when you click on OK and give to administrator rights like that, yes, and then next to install it, and then close. So guys, next method, scan SFC scan, how to run it your system. So this is command I will give in descriptions. So click to start and type run cmd, and just right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Then you can see this is 4 command, and if it is, do not copy paste from YouTube description, so you have to enter manually one by one. Okay, so please note which is small and capital and all. First is start. Then guys, second one, which is check health. Okay, DSM online check health, and you can copy. If it is not happening, so you have to enter the manual. Okay, like that, DSM space slash online, and then hit enter. Okay, second one command. So it is completed. Then next, third one, scan health, you can see, and then again hit enter. Now you can see here it will start automatically percentage, and wait few seconds, it will complete. Then last, restore health. Then guys, fourth one, which is restore health, you can see here we can enter like DMS and all, and please note small and capital. Okay, restore point, restore health, and then hit enter. Again guys, you have to wait. Okay, some start the percentage, it will complete. After that, you can see here